Hi everyone! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. So the world is celebrating Teachers Day. So I am here. Greet to those teachers all around the globe. Happy Teachers Day. So for today's video, I will read to you some of my pupils of Mabini Elementary School. They're giving me a cards. I will read it with you of how thoughtful they are, and some also are giving to me flower. And look at, there's a name, Chris Leonard Lopez, and then may sinabi siya dito, I love you ma'am. So thank you so much Idoy, Chris Leonard, for being so thoughtful, so cute. My flower, my teddy bear, that so cute. Thank you so much. At saka meron din kay I love you from Marian. Yes, thank you so much, Marian. I like it because of the ribbon, and look at the heart. Yes, thank you so much, Marian. Thank you. And we have here from kang Mary Rose Crebilio, and she's giving me also a pen. Yeah. Thank you, Mary Rose. I don't know kung si kanino itong choco na to, Choco Mocho, kasi natanggal siya. And then merong bang bang. Bang bang. Da-na-na-na. Okay, merong bang bang, guys. So, thank you so much. Actually, I didn't expect anything from them because I told them every time that being so kind every day, na diri maringasa, diri noisy, it's already a gift to the teachers actually. So I didn't expect anything from them, but still they're so thoughtful, and thank you so much. So this time I would like also to greet my parents a happy Teachers Day, to my mother and also my father, because even though they are a farmer, I am a product of a farmer, but I believe that my parents, especially my mother, she is the one who taught me on how to read, on how to say mama, to say papa, like everything. I mean, they're the one who taught me how to write, proper use of pen. They are the one who taught me walking, running, crawling, and everything. I believe that my first teacher is my parent, my mother and my father, because my father is the one who disciplined us, especially my father. It is my father who disciplined us, and my mother who are so soft to their children, to her children. So for where I am now, it is because of my parents. Because of them, they taught me on how to reach my dream come true. So thank you so much to my parents, to my mother, Ophelia Amores, and then my father, Cirilo Amores, for being so kind to your 10 children. Even if you have 10 children, still you raise them in a nice way. You raise them well. You raise us so well. So thank you so much to my first teacher, my parents, my father and my mother. So all the parents, I would like to say Happy Teachers Day, because I know all the parents are the one who are the first teacher to their children. Am I correct? Okay, so now I have to read. Rule kay siya, no, para siyang kanaang pangkaraan ba nga kuan style nga kailangan nimo siya isugay. So i-flex ko kay from Zia May. Okay, from Zia May. May da siya heart. So Zia May, thank you. So yung ano siya pagkuan. Okay. Okay, let me read first. Nice. May ganun siya nga style. Okay, I would like to read. Dear Ma'am Perlita A. Quiamco, thank you for being such a wonderful teacher. I appreciate your patience, kindness, and the way you make learning fun. I'm enjoying your class very much. Sincerely, Zia May G. Palayo. Oh, really? Thank you, guys, Zia May. Thank you so much. Look, guys, look at her penmanship. Actually, before her penmanship, I cannot read her penmanship before, but now she is improving. Yes, she is improving. She's using cursive writing. So thank you so much, Zia May, for appreciating my teaching style. Di ba? Thank you so much, Zia May. Di ba? May paruro siya. Amazing, di ba? May ganun siyang style. Only Zia May can think of this. Nasaan na yung pangkuan nila? Nasaan na yun? Di man ako ibalik kung kuan, ako ibalik kung sulod. Ibalik ako sulod. Si Zia May lang ang naka-create o ingon ani nga style na may parole. So, mag-open naman siya. O, diba? Nice tayo then. We have here. Okay. Saan kaya galing to? Okay. Tcharan! Look at guys. Napakaganda ng penmanship guys. Oh. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Perlita Ekiamco. May this day bring you happiness and inspiration to keep on going. May God guide you for your duties and mission, and may this letter be an inspiration too. From your pupil, Princess Noriandi Arcosan. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay guys, atong i-open by Romeo Castor. Submitted to project. Anyway, but still thank you. Oh, iba din yung style niya. Oh, pang project siguro niya. Okay, iba yung style niya. Parang ayaw natin, parang mahiya pa ako pagbukas nito. Uy. Parang naano ako magbukas nito pa. Paano itong bubuksan? Okay. Okay. So, i-open ko siya dito. Okay. Okay. So, my sun shines. Okay. Okay. Ginrawing ko, boss. Siya pala to. Siya pala to. Akala ko ako ang kanyang gidrawing. Siya pala yung sarili pala niya yung dinodrawing niya. Okay. So now, okay. Ma'am Pearl, sorry la, ma'am ha, nga karon na ako nga sala nga nabuhatin high schoolahan. Ma'am, mahusay ka po. Smile ka sana always. And all the time. Happy Teacher's Day, ma'am. It's okay. It's okay, Romeo. But thank you, Romeo. At least you have that realization na tanaang minsan, magpapasaway din. But still, I love you. And then, kanino ton? Okay. Kanino kaya ton? Ma'am Perlita. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Perlita. Ikampo. Salamat, ma'am. Imong pagtutduha amon. Yan na nga sa mutan na hibaruan na iba-iba quiz. Amo lang to, Ma'am Perlita. From Leonard. From Leonard, guys. Guys, si Leonard. Ano to si Leonard? Napaka-ano nitong si Leonard, guys. Anong tawag nito? Napaka-jolly. Jolly lagi to si Leonard, guys. Akong basahon, nagbalik ha. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Perlita Ikyam ko. Salamat, Ma'am. Animo pagtutdo haamon. Yan na nga sa amo tanan. Nahibaruan. Na iba-iba quiz. Iba-iba quiz. Amo la adto, Ma'am Perlita Ikyam ko. No money. Si Kuan talaga. Si Leonard, guys. Ito yun, oh. Si Leonard. Nasaan yun? Ito yung nagbigay nito. May sulat pala siya. Akala ko flower lang yung binigay na ako. May sulat din pala siya. Natawa ako sa kanyang letter, guys. Thank you, Chris Leonard. Love, love. Okay. Hari pa, guys. Hari, siya na ata yung ito na ata ang pinaka-colorful nga letter na natanggap ko ngayon. So, ito, pag i-open ito, guys. Tcharan! Guys, ato siyang i-blow, guys. Together, let us blow the candle. From Roselle Shine, Redunia. From Quezon City to siya, guys. Transfer ito siya haakon. atong gasahon. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Perlita Ikyam ko. Thank you for everything. Kahit pasaway kami, tinuturuan mo pa din kami. Stay healthy and pretty. Thank you very much, Ma'am. Thank you again. And happy Teacher's Day. O, dubo. Naagitay siya. Blow mo muna, Ma'am. Naagitay siya kuhan, guys. Naagitay siya isulat na blow mo muna, Ma'am. na ano pa na ano naliwat na sa pangalan na baliktad pa ang iyang spelling. Blow mo muna, ma'am. I-blow mo na natin, guys. I-blow mo na natin, guys. Okay. may ano pala siya, guys. May sinasabi pala siya, i-blow mo muna natin, guys. Guys, together let us blow. Okay. Ang saya naman ni Shine, oy. Ito naman, guys, may ano naman siya, oh. Kanino kaya to? Oh, parang Valentine's Day na, guys. Best teacher. Best teacher talaga. Naman, guys, ato yung to Ma'am Pearl, thank you for your endless patience and boundless wisdom. You make learning a joy. Kay from Zane Gerard. Ano nga yung grade ito? Hindi ko natandaan kung anong grade to si Zane. Guys, magbasa pa tayo, guys, kay para good vibes yung ano natin, guys, yung Teachers Day natin. Okay. Okay, di pa, guys, oh. Roger Tinasas. Oh. Diba? Globe kayo. Thank you, Ma'am Perlita, ng pagtutdo. Mahibaro kami yan. Pag-answer nga to, hama. Salamat, ma'am, na madamo. Roger, thank you, Roger, na nakabaro ngayon ka sa math, Roger. Thank you, Roger, ha? Thank you, Roger. Ari ba, guys? Ari pa, 1, 2, 3, charan! Oh, wow! Oh, penmanship nila, guys. Oh, tignan nyo ang puan niya. Cursive na naman. Happy Teacher's Day! Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Perlita Ikampo. Alam mo ba, ma'am? Alam mo ba, ma'am? Ikaw lang ang pinaka-best teacher ko dahil ikaw ang nagbigay ng saya sa buhay. Very dramatic, mabula rin Christine, oy. At ang gusto kong teachers ay katulad mo, maganda, mabait, sexy, sexy, at nagpapatawa sa amin. At salamat din na tinuruan mo kami ng aking classmate. We love you, ma'am. Mwah. From Christine Joy Tinasa. Guys, oh my gosh, thank you so much, Christine. Bula naman to si Christine. Salamat, guys. Salamat, Christine. At least, nakita ko pa rin sa akin ang kasiksiyan. Ba't naman si Christine? Nagpaano si Christine haapon, okay? Okay, guys. Tingnan natin. Hindi ko mabasa to. Ang kanino to, hindi ko mabasa yung penmanship niya. Ari pa. Thank you, ma'am. Tinuro mo sa amin na mabait kayo. Kanina ito. Hindi ko mabasa, guys. Sorry, guys. Ito, guys. Nindot siya, guys. Oh. Okay. Happy Teacher's Day. Have a great day ahead. Oh, nice ka. Nice ba niyo, uy? With Carl Shane Scribilio. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Perlita. Damo na salamat yung pagtutdo haakon. Pagturing ni mo haakon nga imo anak. Love ya. Love ya. Thank you so much, CJ. Nandito na tayo sa exciting part, guys. Nandito na tayo sa exciting part kasi may bang. Dear ma'am, happy Teacher's Day, ma'am. I am glad you are here in our school. You know, you are so very pretty, ma'am, and you are so talented. And when we are in grade 6, we will never be when we will be in grade 6, we will never be noisy and we will never forget you. Happiest Teacher's Day, ma'am. Reg. Kay Reg pala ito. Salamat, Reg. Si Reg is a grade 4 pupil. So, that's why, inon siya, when we are in grade 6, hindi na kami mag-noisy. Kahit sa grade 4 or grade 5 pa kayo, huwag kayo mag-noisy, ha? Bantay ka, Reg, ha? Bantay ka, Reg, ha? Dili ka mag-noisy, ha? Dili dyan ako agtangon, Reg. Dili ko to Reg, ha? Bantay ka, Reg. Ako ni siyang i-keep, Reg, para na ako'y basis nga, Reg, ha? Nga dili ka mag-noise. Ito, okay, kanina hindi ko Teacher's Day. To Perlita Ikampo from Donalyn de la Cruz. I wish you a happy Teacher's Day. I am lucky to be your student. You're a great person who clear my all doubts. You helped me in giving a lot of knowledge. Imagine, guys, ang sarap naman ito, uy. Ang sarap naman ito sa pakiramdam. Sabi niya, I am lucky to be your student. You're a great person who clear my all doubts. You helped me in giving a lot of knowledge. Wow. And you know what? This is the true fulfillment or achievement as a teacher na meron talagang something, there is transfer of learning from you to the learners, to the students. Happy Teachers Day, Ma'am Perlita. Salamat, ma'am, ang imo pagtukdo. Haamon, bisan nagpipinasaway kami na tanan kaghihap. Haamon, salamat, ma'am, kay damo-damuan. Damo-damuan, haamon nahibaro, haimo. Laliwan ka, guys. Damo-damuan, ibig sabihin, marami talaga siyang natututunan na akon. Diri ko napahalabaon. Guys, tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo, guys. Happy Teachers Day, Ma'am Perlita. Salamat, ma'am, hani imo pagtudto haamon. Bisa nagpipinasaway kami na tanan naakagihap haamon. Salamat, ma'am, kay damu-damuan haamon nahihibaruan haimo. Diri ko na pahilabaon, ma'am. Ibig sabihin, maraming salamat, ma'am, dahil marami kami natutunan sa inyo. Hindi ko na itong pahabay ng sulat. Maraming salamat. Roslyn, God, thank you lang. Happy Teachers Day from the Darling Kate C. Cardossi. Ma'am Perlita, ikan po. Nice kayo. Tada! Dear Ma'am Perlita, ikan ko. On the special day, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude and love for you as our teacher. You have not only given us knowledge, but also inspiration and hope. Your kindness and care are beyond measure. With each passing day, I learned and become a better person because of your lessons or guidance have been a beacon of light on my path. Thank you for your love and care. You are my inspiration and my dream. And my dream. Oh, nice kayo. Oh, you have been a beacon of light on my path. Wow. Sarap naman sa pakiramdam, guys. Paano ka na ito? Mga estudyante, kailangan mga matutunan mo. Thank you for your love and care. You are my inspiration and my dream. maybe dream to become like a teacher also. Maybe she likes to become a teacher because of me. Is that how you mean po under the faith? Thank you, Darlene. At least I inspired you. Thank you so much. Kay Jessamine. Salamat sa imo paghatag aming kwarta. Salamat, Ma'am Pearl. Kwarta? Bakit may kwarta? Ay, yung terrace daan. Hindi yan sa galing sa akin, dahil sponsor yun. Yung terrace daan siya. Yung sponsor yan, dahil hindi yan galing sa akin. Galing yan sa mga YouTubers, sa mga content creators na nagbigay sa inyo. So, I think that's all. So, walang ko siya, guys. But thank you so much sa mga kids na naghatag-hapon ng mga regalo, bisan pa man sa mga ganito. It's a big thing para sa mga teachers that give us happiness. And yeah, thank you sa Chocomucho. Thank you sa Goya. Thank you sa Goya. Thank you sa Chocomucho. Thank you sa... Asa natin Beng Beng? Dara di ay. Atong paon si Beng Beng. Adi si Beng Beng. Adi. So guys, so I didn't expect anything from my titels because from time to time, I told them na kung mag-urupay lang mo sa klase, if you are just listening, if you are just learning, if you are not being noisy, if you are not being naughty, it's already a big gift to me as their advisor, and I didn't expect anything from them, but still they are able to give me something like this. And it's a great I really appreciate to all for those who gave me these kind of stuff. So thank you so much. Happy Teachers Day to all teachers all around the globe, and also thank you, and also Happy Teachers Day for those Happy Teachers Day to all the parents, to the mamshis and the papshis, because you are first, because you first the teacher to your children, and we are just the second parent of your children. So thank you so much for all of your efforts. Thank you to all. Thank you sa mga kag-anak for being a good partner to us as the second parents of your children. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. Happy Teachers Day once again. Thank you, Meron. 1, 2, 3, go. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Thank you sa effort. Uy, at akala ko walang sugat.
Ano? 1, 2, 3.
Not just is academic but also. C. Characters. H. Sensibility. A. Expresses. R. Nice and correcting when we do wrong. D. F. Read
Children of God, hello! Hi! Damo nga salamat sa inyong effort paghatag sa amo ang mga teachers o ang inyong ipahatag na mga regalo. Much more is ang pagbunutan sa pagbinutan sa waray. Okay, magbinutan ha? Nakuha? Hello? Hi! Ano ang makapalipay sa teacher? Okay, magbinutan. Thank you once again.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.